If your frames have the qoptics logo cover on the front, remove that button by pushing it upward. Beneath that button, you'll find the mount for your headlight. On the back of the headlight base plate, there is a channel that slides across the mounting screws on your frame. With the cable at the top of the headlight and your loupes facing away from you, slide the headlight across the screws from left to right until it is fully seated. If you wish to install the anti-curing filter, simply align the filter to the front of the headlight and snap it into place. In order to secure your cable, locate the spiral wrap and shirt clip. With your headlight mounted, you'll want to attach the spiral wrap to the temple arm. You may find it easiest to flex the spiral and start wrapping from the center outward. Allow some slack in the cable between the light and the frame for movement. Run the cable along the opposite side of the frame from your dominant hand. Wrap the spiral around the temple arm and the headlight cable to keep it in place. Next, take the shirt clip to secure the excess cable, folding and snapping it around the cable. With your loupes on, be sure the cable will remain behind you and attach the shirt clip to the back of your shirt or collar. Now, plug the headlight cable in the top of your battery and place the pack on your hip on the same side as your dominant hand, using the belt clip on the back of the unit. Be sure the cable runs behind your back. This will keep the cable out of the way of both elbows while allowing easy access to your battery with your dominant hand. Power the light on and off with the large center button. To increase the intensity of the light, tap the plus symbol. To decrease it, press the minus symbol. The green LEDs will indicate the level of intensity while you make these adjustments. You can check your battery's level of charge by pressing the battery status button. When it comes time to charge your battery, simply plug the power supply into the bottom of the battery pack and then into an electrical outlet. The battery LED will show a red indicator while charging, as well as green LEDs to display the level of charge. When charging is complete, the battery LED will turn off. While your loupes can be held under running water, your light is not waterproof. You can spray the lens of your headlight directly with qoptics optical cleaner and wipe using a light circular motion until dry. It is okay to disinfect using Cavicide or Byrex wipes to thoroughly wipe down the headlight and cable. It's recommended to remove the headlight to reduce pressure on your loupes when storing them in their case. Remove the cable from the back of the headlight. Then wind the cable in a loose, open ring, not overly taut, as that could damage the cable over time. Take care while closing the case that the cable does not get caught. Proper care will give you the best and longest life for your battery and headlight. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your qoptics loupes, subscribe to our channel.